Scientists are working hard to better understand global warming, how it will impact the planet, and what might be done to minimize those impacts. While scientists have known for some time that the Earth is getting warmer, what this means for any particular place is quite complex. One area may get colder winters, warmer summers, and become drier, while another area may experience the opposite. One thing is certain. As this animation shows, the Earth is getting warmer. One area of emerging research seeks to better understand how climate change will impact the distribution of plants and animals across the planet. Both plants and animals depend on specific climate conditions to live. They are adapted to thrive in one particular place and may not do well in another. Many species are sensitive to even slight changes in temperature or precipitation. In this simulation, the suitable habitat of an ecologically rare mountain species is restricted to cool areas. As the climate warms over the next century, this habitat is pushed to higher elevations, shrinking the area available to the species and removing access to essential resources such as water. With nowhere to go, the species will likely disappear entirely. Already, this process is at work in places like the mountains of southern Arizona. Many of the world's national parks have been created to protect threatened plants and animals. In the future, due to climate change, many of these parks will no longer contain the right conditions to support those species, which will then need to move beyond the protected area of the park to survive. Species whose ranges overlap and which have a long-standing mutually beneficial relationship may be driven apart as climate changes. Climate change may also bring non-interacting species together in new and unexpected ways. Climate change will cause a significant shift in the geographic distribution of many species, both threatened and otherwise, breaking down old interactions and building new ones. Recent work predicts that entirely new kinds of climates may appear in the next 40 to 80 years. These maps show the degree of dissimilarity between current climate and predicted future climates. Many of these places, especially in ecologically rich tropics and mountainous areas, may exhibit climate conditions that never existed before on the planet, or have not existed for a very long time. How well plants and animals adapt, if they can even survive, is unclear at this point, though scientists are working hard to discover the answers.